Nakita ko talaga yung ano, marang. Ang laki ng marang. Magkano kaya yung marang? Ayan ang marang. Lalabas lang ako kasi tatanungin ko yung ano. Magkano yung marang? 160 ang kilo.
Ilang kilo yan? Ilang kilo yan? Apat?
Ito, 4.
160 times 4.
160 ang kilo. Grabe ang mahal pala.
Where's the butterfly?
Ang mahal ng ano, bricks. Ang mahal ng marang. 160 ang kilo. Tapos 4 na kilo yung ano. 4 na kilo pala yung isang piraso. Ano? Is that sour? Or sweet?
You try it.
I don't wanna try.
You try it.
Why? You try.
You try.
Huh? Oh, you cannot bite. You can't bite the... What is that? It's an apple? Is that apple? Is that apple? Hmm? Really? I think it's a pears. It's a pears.
Yes.
Yeah, that's not apple. Give me one bite.
I think yes.
Mm.
You eat that? Okay.
Kinain na niya yung pears.
Okay lang, tagtagpagpasin. Ayun na, ala, nasira mo na. Ayan na, nasira mo na. Lagot ka, nasira mo.
I-up mo brake kasi masira yung wiper.
Yeah.
Ay, nako.